when you had no symbol, and number two, in the presence of this nation, this case is required to be heard along with that review petition, so that whole scenario should come before this court.
That is for my lords to decide. So my submission is that since we had been declared independent...
Whether my question is whether the Election Commission has got any power, any authority under the Election Act or rules to declare somebody independent or a party affiliated candidate.
ठीक हो गया?
उनके इख्तियार है?
They took this position.
एक मिनट, पहले सवाल कीजिए, हाँ या ना मुझे.
Yes, they said Rule 94 empowers them to do that.
इतना आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि उनके पास कानून में कोई इख्तियार है कि एक शख्स कहे कि मैं पार्टी एफिलेटेड हूँ और वो कहे नहीं नहीं आप इंडिपेंडेंट हो, क्या ये इख्तियार है उनके पास?
हमारी नजर में तो गलत था, इसीलिए हम हाई कोर्ट गए.
तो आपको चैलेंज करना चाहिए
सर. हम गए हाई कोर्ट गए, इलेक्शन कमीशन गए, ठीक हो गया सर. लेकिन अब आपने ये देखना है कि देयर इज अ सिचुएशन इन व्हिच द इलेक्शन कमीशन, व्हिच इज द हाईएस्ट अथॉरिटी.
आप गए थे हाई कोर्ट?
जी जी, हाई कोर्ट ही भी तो हमने
ये गए थे.
नहीं, हम गए थे रूल 94 को चैलेंज करने.
आप ये जो इम्प्यून जजमेंट में आप पिटिशनर थे?
नहीं सर, आई वेंट सेपरेटली चैलेंजिंग दिस एक्सप्लेनेशन टू रूल 94.
वही पुरानी बात कर रहे हैं. और हाई कोर्ट वाली आपने ऑफिस ऑब्जेक्शन मान लिया.
वही बात. सो माय सबमिशन.
नहीं तो मैं आपको दोबारा सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ, आप इंडिपेंडेंटली इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान का फैसला जैसे कि सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल ने चैलेंज किया, आपने चैलेंज किया पेशावर हाई कोर्ट में?
इलेक्शन
या ना?
जी, इलेक्शन कमीशन का फैसला आया 7 फरवरी को हमारे पास.
किया या नहीं किया सर?
नहीं किया.
बस थैंक यू, आगे बढ़े.
और हम आए,
आप आगे बढ़े, कोई बात
ठीक है सर. और हम आए हाई कोर्ट के फैसले के खिलाफ कि इलेक्शन कमीशन तो वायरीज ऑफ रूल चैलेंजिंग देख ही नहीं सकता.
फिर अब अलग सवाल है, दो अलग सवाल है.
पहला प्रोपोजिशन हमने अपने कर लिया, आपका अगला प्रोपोजिशन
जी. सो मेरा प्रोपोजिशन ये है कि व्हेन दिस आर्टिकल 51(6) is interpreted, form must not defeat the essence. The purpose here is to allow a representative National Assembly to come into existence. And with great respect to my Lord Justice Munib Akhtar, my submission, my Lord, will.
Form or substance, because he's mixing the form and substance interchange.
चलो
बात कर रहे थे. My submission is that the purpose of the proviso is to enable independents to join for the sole purpose of having weight in the election of the reserved seats, because they can join otherwise. But if their joining is to be inconsequential as far as reserved seats are to be elected, and the word is elected, then the entire purpose of placing this proviso in Article 51(6) is lost.
आपसे पहले एक सवाल पूछा, इसका जवाब नहीं आ रहा. वो let's look at it differently. For a minute, let's assume that SIC is not a political party for this purpose. My stress is on the proportional representation. My understanding of it so far is that proportional representation means whatever they have won, they get that much, not a extra seat.
Including the independents.
Including the... Yes. So in this case, just want to understand that if SIC were not a political party, the political parties will get exactly what they won. उसके रेशो परसेंटम पे उनको मिल गया. बाकी जो वोट्स होंगे वो कहाँ जाएंगे? रिजर्व सीट्स कहाँ जाएंगी?
I take guidance from an observation by my Lord Justice Atar Manila. What if all members elected were independents?
अब हमसे क्वेश्चन ना करें, जवाब.
मैं उनका
फिर उसका जवाब दे.
So therefore what would happen? So my Lord had correctly asked that if everybody were to be an independent in the National Assembly, and that's a theoretical possibility, where would the reserved seats go? And my answer is they will go to no one.
So that's unrepresented रहेंगे.
Then it will have to. So there is a lacuna here which needs to be.
देखिए, पहली बात, बहुत खतरनाक चीज होती है अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट मफरूजों पे कैसे स्टाइल करे. हमारे सामने एक केस आया है, उसमें रहिए. अगर दूसरा उसके नौयत का केस आएगा, हम उसका फैसला आज नहीं सुनाएंगे.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. So my position is that in the facts of this case, this issue does not arise.
Raja Sahab, only for my understandings, though the 2nd February 2024, where the Election Commission has grossly misinterpreted this court's judgment, can this court does not have the power to at least say that it is per incurium? And if it is per incurium and it is declared, then you see it resolves all this issue.
Yes, and if I may take this further, I'm going to very quickly go through 14 judgments, 2 lines each. In Benazir Bhutto's second case, PLD 89, Supreme Court 66, this court...
आप एक उन कैंडिडेट्स में तो नहीं है जो आजाद बकौल आपके आजाद जीते थे?
नहीं ये रिजर्व
नहीं सर,
आप रिजर्व से तो आप उनके आर्गुमेंट्स कैसे उनके लिए कर रहे हैं?
सर मैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ लॉ कर रहा हूँ, आपको होलिस्टिक एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की
बनाया जाए
सर, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की
हमें सर कह देते हैं आप इनको बना।
सर हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को पढ़ रहे हैं इस वक्त, काइंडली अलाउ मी टू रीड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन होलिस्टिकली एंड देन वील कम टू द वेरियस रेमेडीज फॉर ईच डिफरेंट कैटेगरी ऑफ petitioner. But kindly see what my Lord Justice Minilla is saying. My Lord, if I may have your attention, in PLD 89, Supreme Court 66, while deciding the case, there the issue was that an amendment was made to the Political Parties Act 1962, whereby it was said that political parties will be allotted symbols on the basis of lots. The symbols will be plucked out of a hat and given to different political parties. While examining that question, whether that amendment was lawful or not, the court looked at various rules and regulations and gave decisions regarding various rules, regulations, provisions which it felt came in the way of Article 17. So there is nothing stopping your lordships from examining the question of Rule 94 all over again. Your lordships have power under Article 187 to do complete justice, whatever question
Mr.
of law.
Salman, that brings us to what Justice Atta Minilla is saying earlier, and I think it was echoed otherwise also. Maybe you could have just started off by saying, if there is any possibility, and I would like to hear and understand that in there, under the rubric of complete justice, do you think this matter could be considered in that context? आपने तो उस तरफ आए नहीं ना, आप तो अपनी बहस की बात शुरू कर दी। आप हमें ये पूरी holistic, unique situation को हम complete justice को invoke कर सकते हैं कि I'm not clear,
कर सकते हैं,
but उस पे तो आप बात ही नहीं करते।
मैं कर रहा हूँ सर, मैं आ रहा हूँ। देखिए,
कब आएंगे?
मैं शुरू हुआ हूँ जो एक situation है कि we were treated as independents and we've joined SIC.
अगर सपोज
याद दिला रहा हूँ, पूरा 1 घंटा हो गया।
सर, आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल सर।
अगर सपोज हम
आपने अभी भी इस पे नहीं आना था, अगर हम आपको
सर मैंने रिटन नोट बनाया है,
तो आप हमें समझाइए कि इस सारे स्कोप को खोलने के लिए क्या हम उसको इन्वोक कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते?
मैंने सर ये इसीलिए पेपर बुक बनाई थी जो मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ जजमेंट्स की।
आप कह रहे कर सकते हैं, सपोज हमने कर लिया, सपोज हम करते हैं, तो उसका क्या रिजल्ट
उसका नतीजा ये होगा कि पीटीआई के नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स जिन्होंने फाइल किए, पीपल हु डिक्लेयर्ड देमसेल्व्स पीटीआई इन देयर नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स, दे शुड बी treated as PTI, and we say that whatever has happened subsequently,
no one is before us amongst them.
सर
आके बात ही नहीं कर रहे, वो कर हम नहीं जाना चाहते हैं, वो तो
कोई ऐसा नहीं कह रहा सर, आप जस्टिस कर सकते हैं।
फिर दूसरी बात ये होगी उसके साथ जो बार अच्छी बात है कि आपने ये बात कर दी, क्योंकि फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब को कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नजर नहीं आ रहा था, तो फिर सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल 0 मेंबर पार्टी हो जाएगी, यकीनन खुश नहीं होगी ना,
वो नाराज भी नहीं होंगे।
नहीं तो अब ये देखिए ना, ये देखिए, हम आइन पे चलते हैं, ये बहुत बड़ा आपका कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, आप लोग इसको रियलाइज
सलमान साहब इसको एक सेकंड अप्रिशिएट कर लें कि हम जो आपसे कंप्लीट जस्टिस की बात कह रहे हैं, जैसे अता मिल्ला ने भी जिक्र किया पहले, वी अंडरस्टैंड द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दिस मैटर, बट फिर उसमें आप प्रॉब्लम्स देखिए ना। हम कंप्लीट जस्टिस जैसे खलील साहब ने कहा, हम उस तरफ चलते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फिर आप आगे देखें कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, पीटीआई हमारे सामने नहीं है, इंडिपेंडेंट्स ने एफिडेविट्स दे के कहा है कि हम नहीं हैं जी, हम इंडिपेंडेंट्स हैं, हम नई पार्टी पीटीआई के साथ, कहाँ ले जाएंगे सारे स्टेप्स? एक सेकंड सुन लेना, वो कहाँ ले जाएंगे? और फिर आप और फैसल साहब दोनों एसआईसी की ब्रीफ पे खड़े हैं, तो हम सारा कंप्लीट जस्टिस हवा में हो रहा होगा, कैसे होगा? हमें समझ नहीं आ रही है।
अगर वो सब हमारे सामने होते, यहाँ पे रोना धोना
प्लेयर ही नहीं है कंप्लीट जस्टिस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए।
ये जितने लोग हैं इंडिपेंडेंट जिसको कह रहे हैं, वो अगर आज हम सब हमारे सामने होते, सलमान साहब सुनने, आज अगर हमारे सामने होते, रोना धोना कर देते, मजबूरी बता देते कि हम इस मजबूरी के तहत गए, उस मजबूरी के तहत, फिर भी तो कोई बात होती।
कल फाइल कर सकते हैं 184।
किसने मना किया?
We have to do justice here. This is a very important.
चले वो
बातें ना करें।
नेक्स्ट पॉइंट,
Emotional speech is one thing and legal argument is a separate thing.
Legal argument.
We are telling you repeatedly.
ठीक हो गया सर, we'll consider this and we may file a petition.
No, you please,
वो तुम कर सकते हैं,
अपना केस आर्ग्यू करें।
जी। So my case so far before your lordships is this. Sir, my case that I've submitted.
नहीं, हमने 3 पॉइंट्स नोट किए, चौथा बताइए।
नहीं सर, मैं फिर जरा समराइज कर दूं। 3 पॉइंट मेरे ये हैं,
वो हम नोट कर लिए, डोंट समराइज, पॉइंट, गिव द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट if there is any.
So my submission is that the clauses D and E provide a framework for election to the reserved seats, and the weight to be given to each political party is the weight that each political party has in the National Assembly after the independents have joined it, and the word each must be interpreted in order to give effect to the purpose, which is that those who are there in the National Assembly as members, their presence must not be futile. So if we say that this only applies to those who have joined a party with at least one member, then what do we see? So if 87 people joined one member, 88 have weight, but if those 87 join each other, form a new party or join a party which has no member, those 87 lose weight entirely.
So summing up your argument, the political party need not have contested election. It could be off the shelf and you bring it and join it. ये बात समझ आ गई. और दूसरे में ये कह रहे हैं कि अगर ये political party नहीं है और unrepresented रह गए तो रह सकते हैं.
जी. And
ठीक हो.
the reason I say this is that the entire structure of the jurisprudence laid down by this court based on Article 17, since at least Nawaz Sharif's case, or even earlier Benazir Bhutto's case, in fact 88 Supreme Court and then 89, is that political parties are to be encouraged. So I would submit that Article 51(6) D and E is an expression of that intent, that purpose within the Constitution, that political parties should be within Parliament, and in order to encourage independents to join or form a political party.
लेकिन यहाँ पे तो आप डिस्करेज कर रहे हैं उन पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को जिन्होंने आवाम से वोट लिए हैं.
नहीं सर, डिस्करेज नहीं कर रहे.
उसमें जाएं जो
नहीं सर, इनको ये कह रहे हैं कि तुम इंडिपेंडेंट मत रहो, ज्वाइन सम पार्टी इन द पार्लियामेंट, नॉट नो. ये कहां लिखा हुआ है इन पार्लियामेंट? मेरा यही सिर्फ सवाल है.
On a slight technical note, you cannot speak even on behalf of PTI. You are engaged by a Ms. Kamal Shahzad.
Sir, I also speak as an officer of the court, interpreting the Constitution.
अब इतना तो ना करें ना. You have not even bothered to array PTI as a party, which is very surprising. How can you speak on their behalf? I don't know what they want or don't want.
Sir, I'm speaking on behalf of the Constitution now. I'm submitting.
Speaking for myself, I wanted you to argue the case as an amicus, but then I was told that no, because you have personally contested, so you can't be an amicus. So please ये आप ना बोलें. You have a brief. You have a brief. Please आप अपने brief पे रखिए.
मैं brief में ये सब आ रहा है. I'm not saying anything which contradicts my position in my petition. I'm submitting.
आपकी petitioner क्या चाह रही है? जरा बता दें.
मेरी petitioner दो बातों के लिए तैयार है. Either we be treated or she be treated as a PTI candidate, and the PTI list that was filed.
चलिए हम आपकी पहली प्रेयर मान लेते हैं कि आप PTI
then it will follow for everybody else that whoever filed as a PTI candidate should be treated as a PTI member of National Assembly, and the list that was filed in December, that list be allowed to be supplemented, in which case, according to the law, we would add to that list and members would get elected. That is one way forward.
Can we direct any party to give affiliation to any person?
No, one way would be to declare us as PTI, because our nomination papers are PTI.
You are.
That's a declaration then, that despite the Election Commission's order.
Any declaration?
Mr. Salman Ghazi, if I may.
The Election Commission's order is in the way.
If I may interrupt you and ask a question from Mr. Faisal Siddiqui. That this prayer that is now being made before us, would you oppose it or would you accept it, assuming that the court makes such a declaration?
What is the prayer?
That we be treated as PTI, and our original list that PTI filed, that list be treated as a list for Section 104, and we be allowed to add to that list.
Prayer class पढ़ लें.
Where is this prayer?
Prayer पढ़ लें.
Let's see how you can respond to it without seeking instructions.
No, I can respond.
Would you accept it or would you
But is this the prayer? Because
No. Malad, this is something your lordships can pass any order on the facts and circumstances of the case. This is something that is come up.
My first response, my lord, is this is not the prayer. It cannot be the prayer because it's a CPLA arising out of the impugned judgment.
it is CP.
So, yes, as far as I'm aware. My second response is, my lord, my position is that these reserved seats should go to SIC.
Thank you.
SIC में आप इनको लिस्ट में शामिल करेंगे?
वो तो ले लेंगे एफिडेविट.
बहुत खत्म.
जी हमने कभी डिनाई नहीं. मैंने कहा I'm not denying.
Sir, issue दो हैं जो आपकी. It is from your observations that I have come up with this. Your lordship's observations have suggested two ways forward. Our case originally was simply this.
आप अपना केस आगे करें.
हमारा केस
हमारा काम नहीं है आपका केस.
हमारा केस तो यही है कि we have lawfully, in accordance with the Constitution, we are entitled to be treated ultimately
Mr. Saman, please,
as candidates of the SIC.
Got your point. Next point.
So that is one submission. Then, my lord, I move on to what my lord has called the falsafa, but that is very important in interpreting this 51(6) D&E, and I'll just quickly point to these judgments without reading anything. Kindly see this paperwork before your lordships.
आप हमें बता दें प्रिंसिपल्स क्या हैं, जजमेंट्स
प्रिंसिपल्स ये हैं,
पूरा सुप्रीम कोर्ट बैठा हुआ है, आप हमें जजमेंट्स पढ़ा रहे हैं,
जजमेंट्स आपकी,
आप बता देना ये प्रिंसिपल है, हम नोट कर लेंगे.
प्रिंसिपल ये है कि in interpreting any part of the constitution, in particular those that deal with elections, this court will give primacy to the role of political parties. And when independents have joined a political party, their joining that political party will not be rendered consequenceless through an interpretation of the word each or such. It is the holistic reading. After 3 days, there is a political party.
We completely agree with you.
Yes.
But then you should contest on PTI, not SIC.
तो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, आप देख लीजिएगा. My position is there was no barrier. Our position is that there was no constitutional barrier to us joining the SIC. After 3 days, SIC has a certain number of members.
We're fine with that. I mean, we're trying to explore the idea that SIC could be a political party, and there is perhaps looking at the constitution and having a pro-democratic kind of interpretation, we could start thinking that any political party off the shelf which is listed could be considered to be a political party of 51. Two things stand in the way, and I want you to address that. One is that when we talk about proportional representation system, this is perhaps talking about all those political parties that have joined, stepped down in the foray of elections. Whether or not we have zara clear kare, does it talk about all sorts of parties which are on the shelf? Because proportional representation ka concept ही trigger नहीं करेगा if it does not maintain a balance between the people who've come into the house, number one. Number two, 3 days they've to take a decision. Don't you think that the electorate should have seen that political party in the electioneering process for them to know who's in the election process and the independent has joined in, rather than out of the blue comes a party that the independent joins? So लगता है ये कि the flow goes in the favor.
Let me now.
इसको जरा clear करें.
Let me respond now, my lord. To say that there should have been a party in the fray, no matter how small, maybe a party in the fray which fights for one seat, doesn't even win that one seat, that somehow entitles people to join it, independents to join it, and have this large impact on the election of reserved seats. But if those independents form another party, which may otherwise be active in society, there are many political parties that don't contest elections because they don't have the money, they have a view, an ideology, a message, but they're not yet in a position to contest an election. So one of those parties, these independents join. By doing that, they lose.
ये पीछे से कौन तस्वीर ले रहा था? ये खातून बैठी हैं क्या ग्रीन चीज से फोन पिक्चर ले रही हैं? आपसे बात कर रहे हैं जो पीछे मुड़ के देख रही हैं आप जी. व्हाट स्टैंड अप? व्हाट आर यू इन योर हैंड?
डायरीज.
जरा इनका देखिए वो फोन में देखिए क्या कर रहे हैं. यू नो व्हाट वाज द ग्रीन लाइट दैट शोन? अच्छा, we'll just come in a little while. you देख लें इनका. और सलमान साहब प्लीज रैप इट अप.
जी मैं कर रहा हूँ सर. देखिए सर, मुझे सवाल बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. दिस इज द हार्ट ऑफ द मैटर. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली.
वी जस्ट टेक अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक. यू मे नॉट बी टायर्ड.
हार्ट बड़ी देर से
वी आर स्लाइटली ओल्डर देन यू.
जा रहे हैं.
हार्ट कमजोर होता जा रहा है.
मूविंग अराउंड दिस हार्ट.